how do we transition from 20 years of MetLife way of doing things into the cloud environment. We have population in 45 countries, living on PeopleSoft through different acquisitions. So how do we create one standard? And what we found from Oracle is that it's very flexible. It allowed us to go to the cloud as much as we need to, at the same time keeping some of the personalization that just we do to run the business, and having that ability to create, whether it's user-defined fields or tables or fast formulas, enabled us to build those processes the way we wanted them to be built. And I think that's been our focus and realization over the last 18 months, is that by having a cloud system, it enabled us to take these small steps to constantly evolve and change and adjust, right? So there's still a lot for us to learn, and we're constantly learning in this flow of work, kind of how cloud operates and how new features are released. So right now we're co-designing some of the features that we used to have in PeopleSoft. My team and I are very excited about this ability to co-create new functionality, which aligns very well with our focus on efficiency and simplification.